Really hot outside, right? It was 80 degrees this morning. It's really hot. How's your family doing? How's your mom? How are the kids doing? Are they good? Leading an effective conversation saves you time and it creates better impression. It is a leadership skill. You should be the one in charge who delicately directs the conversation without coming across like someone who wants to hog the limelight. My last tip in this video is life-changing. All the tips here are impactful, but the last one, in combination with the other two, will turn things around for you literally the first time you try it. 3 to 4 tips at a time are easy to learn and execute. Rest of my videos on similar topics will be linked up here or in my playlist below. The more you watch, the more you learn. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel if you want to continue watching videos on personality development, lifestyle, wellness, and image transformation. Welcome to Blush with me. Your tip number 1 is to use louder and authoritative voice. Certainty in your voice makes you sound credible. Even if you know your content really well, but your volume level and your voice tone lacks authoritativeness, you cannot deliver the same message. Speak a little louder than your normal speaking voice. Do it without yelling. This makes you sound like you support the message you want to deliver strongly. You sound strong. Watch this. I'm an image coach and I guide you to recreate your new empowered self-image. Versus this. Hi, I am an image coach and I guide you to recreate your new empowered self-image. I rest my case. You saw that, right? Same person, same personality, but the second one drives automatic engagement and trust because of that authority in voice. If learning to use your voice with more authority, learning the right pitch and volume, rhythm of speech is something that you want, then you can reach me at parmitakatkar.com for customized image coaching session, or let me know specific topics that interest you in the comments below so I can create content to help you better. Moving on to tip number 2. Set a topic, goal, and then intention of the conversation. Otherwise, there will be cliche topics like weather. Really hot outside, right? It was 80 degrees this morning. It's really hot. Or family. How's your family doing? How's your mom? How are the kids doing? Are they good? Or decor. I love this place. I've been meaning to come here for a while now. So pretty. Yeah, look at that. Boring. Do you really believe people are even paying attention to this kind of conversation? Plan whom you're meeting and why. Is it a friend? Is it a possible client in future? Is it a date? Is it a colleague? Don't save that kind of planning only for business presentations or important interviews. Actually, even for interviews, I have some amazing tips. All you need to do is just let me know if you want to learn more about this in the comments below. Everyone you meet casts an impression about you. And it takes some time to practice these skills and make them a habit. And frankly, building a new habit is not very easy. If you have trouble building a habit, then listen to Robert Frank. I was watching his classes, Real Productivity, How to Build Habits That Last on Skillshare. He said,
using external systems like tailoring your environment, like getting coaches, like using apps, these can be used to augment and build your self-discipline over time. And we're going to talk about both what I call the soft way and the hard way.
When you are on Skillshare, do look up his classes. Skillshare is an online learning community that offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. The topics vary from photography, freelancing, design, art, illustration, fashion, music, and more. If you too are a lifelong learner like me, but you don't have much time on hand, then Skillshare has classes to fit your schedule and your skill level. Most classes are under 60 minutes. They keep their classes very interesting with a combination of video lessons and a class project. For my Blush With Me community, Skillshare has a very special offer. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click on the link in the description will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So you can start exploring your creativity right now, like today. Members get unlimited access to thousands of inspiring classes with hands-on projects and feedback from a community of millions. So think about how many classes you can attend in 1 month without stepping out of your house. And these classes are extremely engaging. There are classes that you just can't help but watch. Instead of watching a movie on Netflix, I landed up watching classes on how to be funny and master jokes, create your dream career, interior design basics. I mean, I am a photographer and yet I landed up watching a lot of photography classes, and every time I watched something new, I learned something new. There are no ads popping, so you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video and for offering 1 month free trial to the first 1,000 people who click the link in the description below. Your third tip: when you go to an event that most people treat as time to let their hair down or party with a few drinks, you can go with an intention to create new partnerships and not just have aimless, awkward conversations. If you want to connect with multiple people, you need to set a time limit, for which you need to plan exactly who all do you want to meet. Create a crisp introduction about yourself that will naturally create more curiosity about you. When people are more curious about you, they ask you more questions. This gives you a great opportunity to control a conversation and lead it in a direction you want to. For instance, when someone asks you about what do, you could introduce yourself as, I'm a dress designer. Or you could create curiosity and get them to ask you more about your profession by answering the question like this. I'm a designer. I design high-quality vegan clothing for women that supports body positivity. In this case, the listener is bound to ask you more and appreciate your talent even more. If you're at an event that is attended by women, it is only wise for you to communicate effectively in a short span of time. Get them curious. Share your business card. Plan to connect with some of them individually. Now, these people could be your potential clients in future. And don't hang out for too long in one set of group. Whoa, right there you had quite a few points to remember. If you know how to keep your conversation controlled and crisp, you could connect with multiple people in one evening. The more you connect and collaborate, the more you grow. This tip is so effective that I want you to start practicing it right away. Treat your first few times, your first few attempts as your test run. You may take time to confidently speak about yourself while keeping it short and sweet and impressive. But you will be so proud of yourself when you start developing this power. So here is a quick recap of your 3 tips, or let's call it 3 challenges that I want you to accept and start practicing if you want to command attention in a conversation. If you're ready to take up this challenge, then please let me know in the comments below. First, change authority and volume of your speech. 2, have clarity in topic, goal, and intention of the conversation. And 3, set a time limit. Share your thoughts about this video and your suggestion for the next videos. You know where. Comment below. And if you have any specific tips that have worked for you, then please don't hesitate to share those as well. Even I am learning. If your tips work, then I'll be sure to mention your name along with the tip in the upcoming videos. I absolutely love my community of blushers who have followed my channel for the last many years and have seen transformation in their lives. This channel is successful because of you. Your comments mean a lot to me, so keep them coming. Keep sharing this channel with your loved ones. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe now. It's never too late. If you're on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or if you have an Amazon account, then you can follow me on all of these platforms too. My website is linked below for those of you who want to work with me. I feel so proud to see the transformation right in front of my eyes when I get to work with some of my clients one-on-one as their image coach. These classes are hosted live with me via Zoom. If you have any questions on the process, then all you need to do is just fill out a form on my website, fill it, someone from my team will reach out and connect with you to schedule a complimentary call to assist you. I will see you next week with another exciting video. Until then, blush with me.